Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install UniBet on any mobile device. In this case I'm using iPhone, but it's the exact same for Android. So swipe up and go to the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android. From there you want to go down to the bottom right, the search page, and start typing in UniBet. Press search, and then there are usually some ads at the top, but I always scroll down to the first organic link, and the correct one is UniBet Live Sports Betting. As I've not downloaded this before, it says the words GET. Click that, and it's going to ask us to confirm Face ID. So you double click the button on the right hand side of the device, in this case iPhone, double click that, confirms Face ID, and it's going to start downloading. So you need to make sure that you have a good internet connection before you start downloading, otherwise it'll take a very, very long time or not even download at all. I'll come back in a second once this has downloaded. So guys, the app has downloaded. It gives us the option to open the app, press that button, and it's going to start running the UniBet app on this device. Enable geolocation, allow. Stay on the ball, I don't want to do that. United Kingdom, as I am based in the United Kingdom, then press continue. And there you go. UniBet has fully successfully downloaded and installed on this device. You can either register with the green button if you do not have an account yet and sign up, or if you do have your username and password, you can go to the login, type in your username, type in your password, and get access to the app. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it has been helpful, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks.